Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Microsoft account that synced the notebook. This ensures you look in the right place. Next, open OneNote on desktop or OneDrive in a browser so you can access cloud recycle areas. Once done, go directly to the OneNote recycle bin or OneDrive recycle bin and scan for the deleted notebook or pages. Make sure to note timestamps and notebook names. These clues speed the restore. If you're on a managed device, sign in with the same organizational credentials before proceeding. Once you've located candidates, choose the most recent valid version and restore. In OneNote, open Notebook Recycle Bin, select Pages, and click Restore to put them back into the original section. This preserves history. If the notebook is a folder on OneDrive, restore the folder from OneDrive's Recycle Bin or use Version History to recover older file states. Make sure to confirm the restored content appears in the correct notebook and syncs to all devices before continuing with deeper recovery steps. Finally, force a manual sync in OneNote and on every device to ensure changes propagate. Check sections and pages for completeness. If you're on an organizational account, involve your IT admin to access retention or e-discovery tools that can recover content beyond recycle retention. Make sure to document when deletion occurred and which devices were involved. If recovery still fails, contact Microsoft support and provide account details and timestamps. They can often retrieve content within retention windows.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.